Jungle.
Our dinner this evening is 4 courses, featuring Canadian beef, all done off the grill, all done over live fire, over charcoal. In here. Oh, can you show how that's working up there? See how that cheese is starting to melt? Drizzle this. We took it, we ground it, we mixed it, and you're being served it. Top sirloin burger with smoked Gouda cheese, crispy fried leeks, and a blackberry tequila compote. And what this does is it is cutting through the membrane, your sauces and condiments. Gentlemen, care to join me over at the grill? Love it. So there's a couple. It's way better than catching a Dorado out there in the deep sea.